Hi, this is Accutek Car Audio Visual in Winchester. This is a video of a Volkswagen Sharan. We've installed a KENWOOD DMX8021DABS into this, all using ACV fascias and interface, CAN bus interface, etc. As you can see here, the fascia is really nice. It fits really nice into this. There's a microphone built into it as well. This has got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wired and wireless. We've got a wire down here in the center if you wanted to charge your phone. This it's got digital radio, which is a real nice feature, as this didn't have it originally. It's got FM. It's also got a rear camera input as well, so if you wanted to put it into reverse, it will automatically, in fact I'll do that now for you, put it into reverse. There we are, and it's got guidelines that you can adjust. It's a really nice feature. You can also, if you wanted to, there's a button on here which has got a direct camera, so you can just press that once and the camera comes up. So if you want to see what's behind you, press it again, it disappears. It's got all the usual features of Apple CarPlay with all your Google Maps, Apple Maps, etc. If you'd like to have this done in your Sharan, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.